Oh wow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
When it begins, you realize that you can win.
What's the deal, guys? It's your girl Ching back in this thing. Alright, okay. And y'all, I am back with an unboxing video. I cannot say how long I've been waiting to try out this flat iron. Y'all, flat irons, I've never seen an addiction so crazy. This is the BABYLISS Pro Nano Titanium ultra thin flat iron right here, 1 inch. And it also has the extended plate on it so that you can do like more hair at once. Y'all, I've been waiting for this flat iron for so long, like to get this flat iron. I found a good deal on it. But yeah, I just buy flat irons, y'all. I have a flat iron addiction. I buy flat irons all the time. So I'm like, dang, I just bought a flat iron, let me not get it. Dang, I just bought a flat iron, let me not get it. But y'all, I finally got it, okay? I done gave away some of my other flat irons because I had so many and I wasn't using them. But yeah, I had to pick this up, y'all. And I don't know if some of you guys struggle, but I have carpal tunnel. So it's very vital that I find a flat iron that is light, thin, you know, that don't put so much strain on my wrist when I'm working. And yeah, someone was telling me, I've heard about it, looked it up. These are supposed to be ultra thin. They're supposed to be super light. So we about to open these boys up. Get this baby up out of here. It's just been so hard for me to find the perfect flat iron for me. I literally have tons of flat irons and I use them all for different things. I really would love to have one flat iron that I can do pretty much everything with. That will like make my job so easier. It'll make my station a lot less cluttered and all of that. So I'm hoping that this flat iron is it, in which I've seen a lot of stylists use specifically this flat iron, you know, and they only had like this flat iron on the head. So off rip pulling it out, I have to say I love that the cord is extremely long. That is a bonus right there. It is so hard when your cord to your flat iron is not long enough to reach your client in a lot of different angles in a lot of different ways. Yo, this flat iron is so light. Light to the touch. The plates look like they got a really good glide on them. Yes, oh my gosh. It don't look like the hair is gonna get, it's like, it don't look like the hair is gonna snag in between here. Of course, y'all, it's gonna be another video testing it out, but I am gonna plug it up real quick for y'all to see how fast it, you know, heats up. So y'all, we're gonna put it on 150. I mean, we're gonna put it on 450. And we're gonna turn it on. See how long it takes. Oh, what was that, like 5 seconds? This thing is hot in 5 seconds. What the hell? 5 seconds, baby. You can't beat that. I'm actually gonna try to pass through a piece of hair for y'all. Okay, so we got this piece of hair. See if I see a difference in it. You feel me? Let's see. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know if y'all can see that. See how crinkly this is? Look how straight this is. And that was just 2 little passes, yo. Yes. I have to say this flat iron feel like a little cheaper than I expected it to. But for the durability, yo. I love how the plate is long. See, often when I straighten hair, when I take a slice, I have to take short slices like this instead of slices like this because the plates are too short usually to be able to get the full slice, you know? So that's definitely a plus. Let's see. OMG. OMG. What? Y'all love. Look at that. Let me see if I can do a comparison. Y'all see this? Like 3 swipes through, look. Compared to this. That's what's up. I'm so excited. I already can't wait to use it. The outside is pretty hot, y'all, so I'm guessing that this will be pretty good with actually curling. I guess y'all, I'm gonna try a curl for y'all. I'm gonna do a curl. See what this curl gonna look like. I saw one girl, y'all, she used to be doing some banging hand curls off this mug. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, boy. That mug is banging though. Quick little body curls. Ooh, them boys getting hot as hell now. I'm gonna let that cool, y'all, and then I'm going to straighten it back out. We do one more curl for y'all down here on some hair that hasn't really been touched. I love how it just glides, y'all. Just trying to pull it through. Oh my gosh, look at that. Yo, that was a full pull through curl. Like, I literally just put it on there and just held it and went straight through. The hair wasn't sticking or none of that. Like, I think I might have found the one. Y'all don't understand what it's like to be a stylist and have 15 million tools that you use for different stuff. Like, that is amazing, yo. If I can sum all my hand curls, like, I literally got different flat irons for straightening and for curls. Like, of course I got barrels and stuff like that, different curlers for barrels and things like that. But I also have different flat irons for hand curls and straightening. This could be a flat iron that I use for hand curls and straightening. So that'll cut me down to one tool instead of having 2 just for that. So yeah, that's cool. I have a specific flat iron that I use for hand curls, and now I can cut that flat iron out and I can use this one for straightening and curling. If y'all want me to do like a hot tools overview, or just to show you guys what type of tools I use when I'm doing hair, let me know. I'll comment down below, y'all, and I'll make sure I'll give you guys a video before I get rid of my flat irons. And also, if you're interested in buying some of my old flat irons or some of my flat irons I got sitting, because I got so many, make sure you comment that down below too, and I might go ahead and release some of them, like for little or nothing for y'all, or give a couple away. So this cooled down. Oh yeah, it didn't come all the way out, but if I use, usually when I have curls or anything like that in my hair, or if it's wavy, I'll use a comb to fetch it. And if you guys want to see like a detailed straightening tutorial, I also already have one of those on my channel. Make sure y'all go check it out. I'll have it linked in the cards or something. So yeah guys, I do feel like once this flat iron gets older, it's going to be a lot better, a lot smoother, a lot quicker. So I'm definitely going to bring another video back to you guys, maybe a straightening video. I might go ahead and straighten my natural hair, do an update, and show you guys with this flat iron what I really think about it. So yeah, as always guys, it's your girl chingling up in this thing, and I will be back again with another video soon. So make sure you subscribe down below, hit that bell to make sure you got your notifications on, and yes, make sure y'all comment down below what y'all think about what I talked about in the video. And as always guys, I love you guys so much. It's your girl chingling in this thing, and I'll be back again with another video. Bye.